Hi, I'm Riya. I was a 2026 CUT aspirant. I scored 1171 out of 1250. I got AIR1 in SC category. There are a few things that helped me during my preparation, which I think would be helpful to others. The first thing is NCERT is your Bible. You have to revise, revise, revise. The more times you will revise, the better the outcome will be. Underline, annotate, or whatever that helps you memorize the content. Second thing would be to pass your papers are your holy grail. After each revision, do a mock or a past year paper of that specific chapter, which are available on CUETMOCK.com. That is the website that I used. And along with that, do full length mocks as well, because you've already studied the whole syllabus during your board's preparation. And through that, you can first of all revise, and second of all, find out which chapter you've forgotten about. And then you can go on and read that chapter or your notes. And thirdly, get the experience of solving a mixed packs of question from different chapter with varying level of preparation that you've done for that chapter. And once you get used to it, you won't be anxious on the actual day of the examination. And thirdly, consistency is paramount. Rather than chasing perfection and doing 8 to 12 hours every day, focus on doing as much you can, but daily. And fifth, find out what works for you. What works for me is that reading a psychology book for again and again, like 7 times at least, but that might not work for you. The mock tests were very important because I would read a chapter, then I would go to the chapter wise mocks and I would do them. And some days when I did not feel like studying, I would do them hours on hours. And when I went to the actual exam, I was not scared because the interface was same. Everything felt familiar because I'd done the same mocks over and over, and there were even some questions which were repeated. So that felt like such a relief that I've done this question, and I would have lost so much marks if I had not done the mocks. So I think they were very important. I saw a lot of YouTubers and teachers, and there were so many uh, options that it became like very muddled to filter out which one would actually work best. So I'm really grateful that I found CUETMOCK.com. But I think a lot of the students go after like teachers, and that can not like really be helpful. You have to just focus on NCERT, especially for humanities. Every question that comes in the examination for domain is from your book. You don't have to do or use any reference book. And the second thing would be being afraid to give full length mocks because you feel like you've not done your preparation, like revise the whole syllabus. But if you do that, then there will no be like the right time to do the mocks. And thirdly, it would be taking also in a way CUET lightly, because a lot of the students put so much hard work during their board preparation and they fall behind the 1 month that we have to prepare for CUET. So actually focusing on CUET, because now that is the way you can get enter a college rather than focusing solely on boards. It's not as difficult as everyone makes it out to be. It is from the book only. The only thing you have to do is study consistently. It is not like something new that you will find so difficult. CUET mocks helped me see the pattern, the exam patterns correctly, and also experience the interface of the examination.